Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is June 4th of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. This stream is sponsored by Microsoft Azure. I've got to say that. Got to get that out of the way. Today, we are going to try and make some Twitch overlays using Azure serverless. We're going to be setting up some WebSockets stuff, and we're going to be setting up some webhooks, or at least that's the goal. I'll probably draw little diagrams so that we kind of understand what we're doing. And I'm going into this pretty blind. I did do a quick dry run to make sure I could log in and actually set up resources, but you guys are going to be learning along with me. So we'll see how that goes. Another thing to note, and I will drop this in the chat right now, this stream needs to abide by Microsoft's Code of Conduct. I have linked that in the chat. And in addition to that, there is a special aka.ms link that is in that message, and that'll contain supplemental resources for this stream. Please click that. Microsoft is using that to gauge the success of the stream. So I think it pops up a thing if you want to sign up for the newsletter. I don't think you have to sign up for the newsletter. I don't know. But click that and you'll be able to find the same resource links that I'm going to be using to go through the video. Throughout the stream. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who is here. Oh, there's a couple other things that I need to mention. There won't be any background music for this stream because they want to edit this and upload it to YouTube. So that's why it's slightly silent. But also I can't show chat during stream, so I'm gonna the chat will probably only show during the be right back screen where we're not actually doing anything. In theory, if I mess up, well, then they get to edit it. But let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we can jump into things. Let's see, Snipsy and John NV1 were here before the stream started. Hello to both of you. JJMC was first, I believe. Python, it's been a while. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Lechosa, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Snipsy, again, still here. Forced, hello, hello. Happy Saturday to you as well. Victor, welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Pillow Streamer, hello, hello. Lornaira, welcome, welcome. Lotstrew's here. Serverless Monk and W. I mean, it's someone else's service. That's serverless, right? One Iron Aftis, hello, hello. The Frank Freeman, welcome to the stream. Cowface, dude, good to see you again. Mocha Plays, how's it going? We've also got Vrax, hello, hello. Indie Monkey's here. And Koninggeist. Evil Cloud, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Clicks or IP, I don't know. Don't game it. Obviously, gaming it is cheesing it, but yeah. Anyway. Kevin is here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Did I say hi to Koninggeist? I just read your name. I can't remember whether I said it out loud or just in my head. Hello, hello. 6LR61, welcome, welcome. Coming from YouTube. Welcome, welcome. I'm glad you enjoy my YouTube content. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Okay, so this is the same page that this link will take you to. So if you click on that link, you'll be on the same page. I'm going to be using these sets of documentation to go through and set this up. But I think this is how it's going to. We're gonna AWC paint this one. I think this is how it's going to work. So we kind of have three parties here. We've got Twitchland over here, Twitch, and we've got someone else's servers. Got Azure servers over here. We'll just call it Azure, and then we got a third bubble down here, which is going to be me. Basically just gonna do a little sketch of a diagram of how I think it's going to work. Me. Okay, so in the me realm, I'm gonna have OBS. We're probably just gonna do this in the browser for now to look at what it's gonna be like. OBS, open broadcasting software. We're gonna be setting up some browser scene overlays here. Browsers, sure. Something like this. So this is what I'm gonna have on my end. On Azure, I believe we're going to have two different resources. I am not 100% certain on how this is going to work, but this is how I think it's going to work. One is going to be a WebSocket, and the other is going to be a web function. I don't think that's what they're called, but I don't remember the exact naming in Azure, but basically a serverless function that I can hit as a website. And the browser is going to connect to our web function here. The web function is going to return back a response, which is going to tell the WebSocket. Why'd you change colors? I didn't actually click. There we go. It's going to have a response with the WebSocket, which we'll be able to connect to from here. And so that's kind of how that part's going to hook up. The other thing we're going to set up is Twitch is going to call another endpoint on our web function. We'll probably be able to just stick it on one, I hope. We'll see. Where on like subscriptions or follows or whatever other things are going to get called as a webhook here. So this is a webhook. Oh, I guess I should label these with their colors. Yeah, that would be a good idea. So this is the overlay website, and this is going to be the communication WebSocket. Okay, and then the other part of this is when the webhook hits this web function, it will trigger the pub/sub event, which is going to cause data to come through the WebSocket. Gotta put one more line here, and I think that's our basic architecture diagram for what we're going to try and build here. I should draw the heads on the arrows so that we can see which direction they come from. Pub/sub. Yeah. Okay, let me just make these actual arrows so that we can kind of know the direction of things. Purple arrow for this one, and then these other arrows are bi-directional, so we're not going to draw heads on those. But I think this is the basic thing that I'm going to try and build today. We'll see how it goes. But yeah. Did some shopping today. Nice, Kevin. EagleBT says, so this is the stream where Anthony tells us how great Azure is, and we pretend to believe. I'm going to be very honest about what I encountered today. I am not obligated to say things are great or not great, so I will just let you know what's true and false. Swartzchild, hello. Beldothis, good to see you again. Azure's cool because it's on the other side of I can't pay you, but you have some cool stuff. Oh yeah. Oh no. Shh, Kevin, no, we can't, no. Andre Costa, Snipe Bunny, hello, welcome. But yeah, this is what we're planning to build today. I don't know how it's gonna go. I know we're gonna have to deal with credentials, so I have set up a separate Twitch account just to hopefully make this go a little bit more smoothly live. I've also set up a separate Azure account, so hopefully, yeah. I'm not going to be too concerned about credentials. I'm going to try not to show them, but you never really know with this stuff. Okay, sound good? I'm going to minimize this because we're probably going to use it later. And I guess we can just jump into stuff. Alcofunkalistic Booty Wab says, separate Twitch account, what's the fun in that? Well, that way, if you guys take over this account, it's just my throwaway account. It's not my bot account. It's not my actual stream account. You know, you can send as many messages to Pokemon as you want with this one. I don't care if it gets banned. That's why we're using a separate account. Okay. All that I've done before stream to prep is I have a Microsoft account, or using the pre-commit CI one because I set this up for a previous stream and then never used it, so it had a free trial subscription, so I was able to set that up. I set up a subscription. Oh, well, showed my subscription key. Okay, cool. We're off to a great start. Why does it do that? But I've set up a subscription. Azure lets you try stuff out. I think they give you like $200 of credit, and there's a bunch of free services. So, yeah, we'll be using the subscription. Yeah, whatever. It shows the key. Who cares? But that's all I've done before stream. I have not set anything else up, so it's just the Azure subscription and Twitch account, and logged into everything, so I don't have to deal with creds on stream. All right, so we are going to, I think, set up the WebSocket stuff first. That seems the most prudent. There's a Chrome extension that hides credentials. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's fine. Whatever. Reported for duplicate account. I mean, that's what they told me to do. So I'm just following directions. I technically have a educational subscription as well. That's just like infinite money forever. So I could have used that one, but I didn't want to use my actual account. All right, so we are going to set up WebSocket stuff first. And oh, I have not set up any of the Azure command line tooling locally. We're gonna try something new today. We are gonna try and use Azure's Cloud Shell because I've heard it's pretty good. I don't really want to set up the tooling locally. I'm gonna be completely honest and a little bit lazy. All right, easily build real-time applications with WebSockets and Webhub Sub now in preview. This was like a year ago, so I'm hoping it's out of preview and we can just use it. Okay, blah blah, real time, yeah, fully managed, globally available. Yep, cool, that's what I want to do. Native WebSocket support. We are going to try and hit it in JavaScript. So presumably you can hit it in Python and Java, then we can probably make it happen in JavaScript. Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, we do mention JavaScript here. Cool. Getting started. All right. Get a free Azure account. Already have done that. And follow quick start. Sounds good to me. Oh, hey, okay. Use the bash environment in Cloud Shell. Yes, this is what I wanted to do. Okay, well, start it. Click button on top. Can I just, why can't they just give me a URL? Surely, come on. Oh, doesn't let me switch tabs with the keyboard shortcut that I know. All right, Cloud Shell, is that this one? Yeah, I can follow directions. Hey, wait, that was not what I wanted. What? What? Did I not click the right one? I clicked the right one. What do you mean? Oh. You have no storage mounted. All right, create storage. Has it started? It has, Qualsy. Welcome, welcome. Small monthly cost. Okay, well, we have some amount of... Can I just make this full screen? No? Oh, this is literally just a link to portal. How do I make this full screen? Azure Cloud Shell. Surely I can make a full screen one, right? This one? I don't want to click the ad. Start. Start. I don't know, I had to click start twice, but it's all good. Coffee Street says, I had to set up AWS, so it's relatively painless. You might need to hide the screen, but I don't think it'll take time. Oh wait, what's AW star? Is that AWS? I mean, I'm intentionally using a second account that has, looks like you already, yeah. Fun. Oh, we're already logged in over here. Okay, well, this one will hopefully set up, but in full screen. Sure. Why didn't it open? I just want full screen. Is that so much to ask? Maybe it just wants me to log in twice. Kanan, hello, hello. 4-day break from work, nice. Nice. Oh my goodness. I just... Am I too dumb for this? I swear there's a full screen version of this. Maybe one of these buttons. Full screen. Okay, well that'll have to do. That'll have to be close enough. Okay. What do we got in this? 373. Ubuntu. Wait, what shipped with 373? It's gonna be really old. Wait. Wait. Wait, what? It has the Ubuntu kernel. It has the 1804 kernel. But it's not Ubuntu. Okay, interesting. Yeah, because 1804 shipped with Python 3.5. Okay. Well, we've got Cloud Shell. All right, cool. Bum, 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 bum. All right, launch clutch. Oh, did this? I bet this link did what I wanted. I just should have clicked the link. Oh my god, it did exactly what I wanted. Okay. Well, we're gonna go back to this. All right, I should have just clicked the link. Yeah, 100 redirects, right? Hey, what's up, Iron White Knife? Hello, hello. Like the temperament of chat today from casual talk. Yeah. Pseudo apt full screen. Fixture Jake, hello, hello. Imagine you're in some sort of a container and the host system runs Ubuntu. Oh yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, we are in a Docker. We are in a Docker container. Or at least that's what I'm pretty sure this tells me. There are 11 processes, so yeah, we're in a container. Yep. Linux start node. Well, there's a node app running? What node is this? I probably shouldn't poke around in this, but rock 20 BWD sudo. All right. Well, we could probably figure out what it is, but I bet we could do find /-name app.js. I should stop clicking around. This is unrelated. What am I doing? It's Microsoft Day. It is indeed, Stonkfish. Welcome, welcome. Is it really sponsored? It really is. It really is, Vorzerg. Slightly by. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Oh yeah, never mind. We're not gonna bother with that. Probably network file system, so it's probably gonna be really slow anyway. Okay, cool. So we have set up Cloud Shell. I'm not gonna do this locally. Okay. Skip that. AZ version. Cool. All right, we've got things set up. Joshua Oliver says, so I'm trying to convert an HTML file into a website, but I need to host it. Is Google Cloud a great web host? Is it just a static site? I would just use GitHub Pages. That's probably the easiest thing to do. Create a resource group. Okay. We are going to do this. V, no, paste. Oh. Well, it is now called My Resource Group. We're gonna name it something else. RM, delete. Without. Yes. Okay. It ran the command too quickly. I don't want to call it that. Should we fill out the form from the link? Does that help Microsoft like you more? I don't know the answer to that, Fixture Jake. I should have asked, but. Sweatshot says, glad to see that Anthony's channel are developed the way sponsored by Microsoft now. Actually, this is, I think, the 4th or 5th Microsoft stream we've done. We've done a few. Let's call it Twitch RG. Sure. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, create a resource group. Create a web pub sub. Easy extension add upgrade. Okay, sounds good to me. All good copy pasted. Filling the linked forum email comes with, thanks for visiting Anthony Writes Code, so maybe it makes sense to fill out. Ooh, cool. That's nice that it's personalized like that. I love how the page has the default ASP.NET icon. Oh my god, it does. They probably just set this up as like a quick little page and just didn't even favicon. That's pretty cool. Not even using SSH. Are you even a hacker? Look, this is way easier than trying to set up the command line tools. One of the previous streams I did with Azure, we spent like 2 hours or like a full hour just trying to get the auth working. So not having to set up the auth, way easier. Levi says, morning, this is cool. Last time I used Azure regularly, I was mostly using the virtual network gateways and spinning up remote work infrastructure. Whoa. Whoa. They didn't get to fixing the command line bug? Yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Wait, they misspelled streams? That's so funny, Ankle PT. Okay, we have added an extension. I'm pretty sure the extension is broken, but I'll show you how to fix that in a second. Because I don't have that open because I found a bug in it while poking around at this earlier. Yeah, so I have fixed a bug with this command line tool already because previously it was crashing. I'll show you the crash today, and then I'll show you how to work around it. But hopefully it won't matter. Have you profiled cold time start? Will service even be performant? So the thing is, Flotster, I don't think it super matters. Because we're just doing it for human time events and for just like subscriptions and follows. Like we're not doing a full chat thing, so we're not doing the real-time chat. It should be fine. And the cold start time from last time we did this, the cold start time is actually not bad. So it should be fine for what we want to use it for. It was a joke. Okay. Got it. Okay. Do this, and this is gonna run it. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna set up Babby. Is this gonna work? I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh, it's building Babby from source. Oh, hold on. Pip was too old, maybe? Yeah. Now we should get Many Linux. Hey, there we go. Hey, we have an editor. Huh. Why didn't it do the coloring? Anyway. Oh, it did the coloring. Look at that! We have text editor. Alright, export editor equals Babby, export visual equals Babby, alias nano Babby, control XE. There we go. Oh, we can't paste, right? Okay, your unique resource names. So we're gonna call this Twitch. Oops. Twitch pub sub. I like how I typed a T and my brain instantly was like, we're just gonna type testing. Okay, Twitch RG. Kevin, thank you for the 5 gift subs to iFade, Cowface Dude, Sasho, Pearly Mo, and Day Day. Oh right, I think I'm not supposed to show this. Well, here, you can still see the command beyond my overlays. There we go. So this is the command we're going to run to create the pub sub. And we're using the free F1, so hopefully this doesn't cost anything. I did not, Kevin. I gotta code of conduct. Will Anthony use Visual Studio this stream? We'll see if we have to. I think the tutorial I'm gonna follow is entirely in the terminal. So, if we need to, we will. But otherwise, Jake says, I'm sitting here trying to figure out my OAuth implementation for my Blazor app. I really enjoy being a systems dev. Web is annoying. Right? I White Knife says it's sponsored, so I guess Page should also work. They didn't give me any credit, so I'm just doing a free tier. Oh. Yeah, in theory I could get refunded, but no, we're gonna try and make this as cheaply as possible. That's kind of the point of like serverless as well. It's like, you know, I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money for my Twitch stream. He says with fancy camera and microphone setup, but you get the point. Right, Kevin. Azure free tier is fairly good, to be fair. Yeah, I've you know, everything that I've set up with Azure so far has fit in free tier, and like, you know, I've done a bunch of really cool stuff with it, so I'm not complaining there. That took a while to set up. Okay, cool. All right. We have created the web pub sub. Host name. Wait, host name? Didn't do a host name. Oh, there's, oh, okay. There's a host name in here somewhere. Host name, Twitch pubsub.webpubsub.azure.com. Wait, really? No one else has picked this name? Okay, so apparently we need to note this. Oh, I can't paste. Control V? No. Okay. Alright, copy paste is gonna be an interesting one. I guess that kind of makes sense, but also, man, it would have been nice if they made that work, but. Okay, what else do we need to note? Resource name. Okay, we supplied that. Play with the instance. Connect to the service using the webhub sub client. Okay, this is the command that's broken, I'm pretty sure. So .exe paste Twitch, what did I call it? Twitch pub sub? I think so. And Twitch RG. I don't know what this hub and user ID is. That's the whole command. I don't know what the hub and the user ID is, but we're just gonna leave it with that and see what happens. All right, so let's try running this now. Yeah, okay. So this is the thing that was broken. This is why this is as far as I went in the tutorial before stream. So this is broken. We can actually work around this. This is a bug in an old version of WebSockets, which webpubsub is currently pinned to. Oops, that's an interesting spelling of my name. Yeah, so I already reported this bug and I've already fixed it, but Azure does like a rolling release, so we don't have that fixed yet. Fortunately, I put the the fix is a one character change. Literally just tilde to greater than. The workaround, where did I put the workaround? The workaround is to run this command. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm running pip install WebSockets and upgrading it inside of the extension directories. This is a little bit of a hack that I know of because I spend a lot of time doing Python stuff. Okay, so now that we've done this, there was an error checking the latest version of pip. We're just gonna ignore that. So now I should be able to run this client start command. Okay, cool. We have connected. Fonts are a little bit weird on Ubuntu, but that's okay. How do you set up Babby on Azure? Isn't Azure an outside environment? I just set up a virtual env and did pip install. Open new session. Oh no, I want a new tab. How do I make a new tab? Is there a new tab? I could have sworn there was a new tab. Is that a thing? Somebody know? More than me? I thought there was a new tab button. Well, we can just make a whole new session. It's fine too. Yeah, I could use tmux. I don't really want to use tmux though. Export editor equals Babby. Visual Babby. Okay, so we have a WebSocket connected apparently. All right, what's next? You can see the command establish a WebSocket connection to the webpubsub service. Ooh, we got a connection ID. Play with it and try joining groups and send messages to groups. Okay. We do join group. What? Okay, replied with something. Cool. And then what? Send a group. Send to group. What? Hello one. Oh, hello one. Oh, we can't press that. Okay. The CSS is messed up here. Shoot, how do I? Oh goodness, how am I even gonna fix this? Well, we'll just the text will be slightly unreadable. Yeah, I wrote my editor in Python Sorchchild, so it's really easy. The great thing about Babby is you can just kind of install it anywhere. Like as long as you have Python available, you can end up with a working text editor. Okay, cool. So we're able to send and receive messages, it looks like. Presumably we'll set up another session and play around that as well. But I think this is all linked to a WebSocket, so we're pretty close to having at least this first part of our diagram working. Yeah, what's up, Day-Day? Hello, hello. Yeah, okay, cool. So we have set that up, published messages, and managed the clients. Open another command line. Open another CLI command. Command line interface command. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is probably the one we're gonna do in this other tab. Weird that Control-XC edits the previous command. I don't think it's supposed to do that, but just unfamiliar with this. We're gonna put this in the screen. Service broadcast name, we called it Twitch PubSub, and our resource group was Twitch RG. I didn't change the hub name, so I'll probably just keep this. Right, in theory, this is going to send hello world to this guy here. Try this. Oh, I did it wrong. I pressed Y. I messed up. We gotta do this again. My bad. Screen so we can see it. I changed the command line file name when I saved, so that's why it didn't work. Twitch RG. All right, let's try this again. Y and there we go. Okay, so in theory, oh cool. All right, that's pretty simple. So as long as we can hit this API in this web function, we should have the orange part done as well. We need to figure out how to do the green part. We need to figure out how to do the purple part and the blue part. Okay, we're starting to fit things together. This is good. This is good. I guess the other thing that we need to do is figure out how we can connect from JavaScript. So let's try and do the green part next. That'll be the next thing to do. Blah blah. You can also list available commands. Okay, cool. So that kind of gets us through setting things up. Lungfish says this diagram is better than anything I've seen in a professional study. I mean, it's kind of cobbled together in Paint, but it works. Yeah. I just wanted to make it as simple as possible. Okay, let's try and figure out how to connect to this in JavaScript. And we'll write a little bit of JavaScript code and try and do that here. Okay, so let's poke around with the service command. Like, this will probably get us something. I could probably also just Google. Service connection, that sounds useful. Connection, close, exist, send. Maybe not. Let's try going out to you here. Web PubSub help. Create, delete. So we're not any of these. Maybe list, key. Commands to manage website PubSub keys. Client? Maybe we make a client and it tells us the connection? I don't know. We're gonna poke around here until we find something. Start. Okay, so it's not that. Let's try list. ID. That's a thing. What is this domain name? What is this? What does this get us? Is this actually a thing? Let's look up this. It has an IP address. VS Code is suggesting me black yap for autopipate for a formatter for Python. Any suggestions of what I should choose? Up to you, IcklePT. I personally like autopipate, but black is by far the more popular one, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think that. Let's just write a little bit of JavaScript code. We're just going to copy from the connection in this. Azure server list. Actually open this tab so we can see what's going on. All right, this has a whole bunch of code that we're not going to need, so I am going to delete all that, and we'll just try and get like basic hello world happening from this. So we're going to change the WebSocket connection here, get rid of all of this, and this is basic, just basically from MDN on how to connect to WebSockets. I'll go over the actual code in a second, and then we'll talk about what's all going on here. Okay, so we can get rid of you and you. Okay, so this is the basics to connect to any sort of WebSocket. So you have your WebSocket call, you have your host name here. You can set handlers for close and error. I usually use these to reconnect. So you can see I have like a global function G here. And if it errors or it closes on me, I will just restart the whole process. There's a callback for open. This is stuff that you can do as you connect to it. And then there's a callback for message. And message will have e.data for our callback there. I'm just going to get rid of all of our stuff up here. Don't need any style. We'll probably fill this out later when we actually do this. And we're not going to have like a locally hosted thing. We're going to have the actual serverless function serve this web page for us. But for now, I just want to connect to it and see if we can look at stuff. Shazawag, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. All right, so I'm just going to try that host name. I don't know that that's actually the right way to do this, but we're going to try stuff and see what happens. So normally they're on WSS, being WebSocket Secure, as the protocol, and they'll be on port 433, or is it 443? Oh no. Now I look like a noob. Why can't I remember the SSL port? I'll just check this one. 443, okay. I know how to... Oops, that was chat. I wasn't supposed to show that. Cut that 1 second out. All right. I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Because my guess is you actually need to like authenticate or do some other stuff. All right, what do we got here? Can't establish connection. Okay, we're gonna close this because it's just 404ing. So that's definitely not what we want. Let's see. What is the command? We can probably just Google Azure Web Pub Sub URL. Sure. Shazawak, hello, hello. Good to see you again. How you doing? Slunix, hello, hello. Do you think a MacBook is enough to become a good coder, or would you say it's necessary to have a PC? You can program on like a little $20 well, they're not $20 right now because of chip shortage, but you could program on a Raspberry Pi and be fine. You don't need a several $1,000 computer to program. But I personally don't like MacBooks. But Marsman, hello, hello. This is the sponsored stream. Do we get any code? We're trying some code. I just had some up. Look, there's code here. We're trying to figure out how to connect. We're trying to figure out this green line here right now. JB Pratt, hello, hello. MacBook is perfectly fine. Many developers enjoy Macs. Yes, many developers also hate them. Shazmark says, getting crazy with AngularJS in job, trying to find a new job soon. Wait, Angular or AngularJS? Because they're very different. Like new Angular or old Angular? Because old Angular, oh, I'm so sorry. New Angular, I'm a little sorry, but not completely sorry. This keyword is a bust? No. Wouldn't that be funny, right? Exonity, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Inho Official, welcome, welcome. How you doing? AngularJS 1.4. You need to find a new job then, Shazwag. Okay, is this how we can get the URL? Maybe we just find the example where it connects with Python, and then we can do that. Connect from the browser. Create. Yeah, we did that. Yep. Get the client URL with a temp access token. I'll do this from the command line. I wanna do it from the command line. I don't want to click around. Key connection string. No. Okay, so it's probably going to generate a credentialed thing. So that makes me think that it's maybe in that other command that we saw. This probably gives us the keys. Let's try that command. Oh, key, that should help. What do you want? Regenerate. Oh, hey. Hey, we want another easy pull request, chat? Yeah, let's do that. I don't even know where this comes from. Well, I can just find the repo that I contributed to before. Slight detour. We're gonna fix a typo. Azure CLI extensions. Azure CLI extensions. That bang dollar is not gonna work. You fell for the sponsorship command. What? No, you're fine. Nerum! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Stall Pringle, welcome to the stream. Reels 3.2. Oh my goodness, that's so old. What are we building? We are building Twitch overlays using Azure Serverless and WebSockets, which will be really cool if we can get it working. Okay, get grab connection. Oh, we got a couple places that we can fix this. Okay. I wonder if this is generated. Vendored SDKs. Where does this come from? Azure Messaging Web Hub Sub Service. What if we search this on GitHub? I'm getting distracted. I shouldn't bother. Why am I bothering? We're gonna... What? Code. Vendored SDKs. Well, we'll just edit them all. Someone will fix it for me, right? Get grab that shell connection. Yes. Oh yeah, this is definitely generated. 100% this comes from something. Doesn't say though. Code generated. Auto rest code generator. So there's a typo on their backend. Never mind, we're not gonna fix this. Yeah, this is all generated code. Okay. Alright, ignore the typo. This is fine. Okay. Show connection strings. Yeah, this is totally what we want, right? Key show. This is gonna show creds. Whatever. Name. Which pubsub resource group. What's dash IDs? Twitch RG. They said on a job interview they would refactor, but manager doesn't want us to refactor because we would want in 10 years to change the system technology again. Hey, what's up, buggy robot? Hello, hello. I'm bugging. Can you fix me? Hey, connection string. That sounds like a thing. Why do I feel like this is not the actual... What do we do with this connection string? Anyway, there's my creds. How do I get the URL? P... Let's try regenerate, see what that does. Regenerate. Key type. How do I get the URL? Let's follow a Python tutorial, and that'll probably tell us how to do this, right? Publish and subscribe to messages. Create a simple chat room. Build a serverless chat. Let's look at this. Create, yep, blah, blah, blah. JavaScript. We'll get the URL. No, I don't think we want that. We got JavaScript and C#. Let's find one that's in Python. this one in Python. Okay. C#. Python. Here we go. Set up the subscriber. Okay. We will hopefully be able to use this to... Let's use this. Where's my tab? Pip install Azure messaging webhub subservice. Okay, this will hopefully be able to get us the URL. And we'll be able to use this in our serverless function. So later we'll install this inside here, hopefully. The manager doesn't know. Tech is always evolving. How am I supposed to evolve there? Yeah. Schwarzschild says, I just refreshed your FAQ regarding Babby. May I ask why the Babby name? It's in the video. In that video. You mentioned the usage of Visual Code ID. Did you use Visual Studio Code? No. It uses the same theming, but I wrote my own engine. It's not 2204 yet. I do have a 2204 VM, but not this. Stockfish. Hey, what's up, Phonics programmer? How you doing? Okay, don't need you. Let's see. All right, so we've installed that. And webhub subservice client. Okay, here's how we get the URL. URL comes from connection string. All right, I'm gonna put this in a little script here. Paste. And we need connection string. So we had the connection string, but we'll have to get that again. Print this. Sorry, I'm clicking back and forth because it's not copy pastable. From connection string. Actually, just copy this. Yeah. Oh. Shift tab doesn't work here. Okay, so we will fill this out from that other command that we had. Show connection string, which I'm pretty sure this is a credential, but that's why we're using a separate account. And in theory, this will spit out hub name. All right, hub name is, what did I call it? Hub 1? My hub 1. My hub 1. URL. Okay. This looks promising. Copy this, put it in our little connection here. Put a little message to say that we're connected. Almost ran Python 3 t.html. That would not have worked. Do I not have this open? I do not. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, it's a white page. Yo, okay, we're connected. What was the broadcast? Broadcast. Send a message. Hey, look at that. Okay, so we have now figured out the green part and part of the blue part, kind of, part of the blue part, and sort of part of the orange part. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty, it's working. Why the sad, Snipsy? What's wrong? Okay, that's cool. All right, I think the web pub sub stuff, this service is called web pub sub, I guess. That's all working. or at least, you know, working well enough. Hello world 2. Cool. All right, so in theory we can send, wait, can we send like a JSON blob inside of this? Say data wat, for instance. Oh, Control K still works here. That's nice. Okay, cool. We can send JSON there. Oh, you missed 60 minutes of stream. Oh no. Well, mostly what we've done so far is we have set up a WebSocket in Azure. We have figured out how to connect to it with a connection string. We have figured out how to send messages to it using the command line. We'll probably figure out how to do that using the API. And next we're going to try and set up our web function to hopefully make it so that we can trigger the pub sub and get a link to the WebSocket. Yeah. Because right now we have a little Python file chilling here that sends this URL. But I think we'll set up a server. We'll set up a serverless function to do this. Yeah, I think that's the next course of action. So I think we're actually kind of done with the, well, we need to figure out how to send pub sub service, pub sub client. We need to figure out how to send messages though. Oh, service.send to all. Oh, isn't that easy? Client. Send to all. Yeah, I think it's that simple. New publisher. Is this the same thing that I installed before? Web pub sub service. Web pub sub service. Yeah, okay. Seems pretty easy. Hey, what's up, Mahamdi? Hello, hello. Okay, cool. So let's move on. Well, actually, let's try and send a message using this. Because right now we're just sending it from the command line, but we want to also instead, should just be as easy as doing this, right? Send to all message content type equals text/plain. Let's just assume that that's the default. We're gonna try it with that as the default. Hello, hello. Did we get a message over here? Hey, wait. Why is it in quotes? I guess it auto JSONifies it for you. Let's set to content type, see what it does. Content type equals text plain. How do you spell plain? Yeah. Okay, so it's auto JSONifying it for us. Nice, that's actually kind of helpful. So if we did user Anthony writes code and subscribed for 32 or something like this, is it going to turn this into a JSON blob for us? It succeeded. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. All right, that's easy enough. Xnella says, I installed the newest LTS the other day and all those damn snaps are eating up my CPU. Yeah, I purged snap. I am not on board with snaps. Okay, other than real life snaps. Cool. All right, let's set up the Azure function next. So this little circle here. So I guess we can say that this part's done. We know how to do this part. We know how to do this part. And we know how to get the URL for the green part. So yeah. Let's do the next part of our thing here. Also in, oh, thank God. Okay, it works. We have a periodic handler that's supposed to show the code of conduct every hour, and it worked. So I don't have to type it in chat. Nice. Ton HH, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And just a reminder that this stream is sponsored by Microsoft Azure. Just so you all know. Okay, create a function in Azure with Python using Visual Studio C. I think the title's got off. We're probably going to do the command line version. Yeah. Just because. So I'm actually going to keep this page up because we do need that. I think I can close out of this. We can exit out of this guy. We will keep this one around because, you know, this is kind of useful here. Oh, cool! It all of the sessions share all of the data here. Huh. I guess that makes sense. So what is this? Some sort of... Oh boy. Some sort of special file mount. Dev loop 0. I don't know what that means. Okay, anyway. But that's cool. So it shares all the files across everything. Sellout? What do you mean sellout? I'm just telling you how it is. I'm being very honest about the stuff that I'm going through. Red Baronet. Hello, welcome, welcome. When it says 7-minute read, I was stuck here for like 20. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, we're gonna hope it's not 20. I don't think I'll need this. We will need this eventually. Create a Python function in Azure from the command line. Cool, Python. Configure your local environment. Azure Core Tools version 4. Prerequisite check. Okay, who do I want? Thunk -- version. Thunk version. Hello? Okay. 4.0. Okay, good. AZ version. I assume these are all up to date because why would the cloud shell be out of date? Up to date. Cool. 237. Wait. Oh yeah. 37 is greater than 4. Perfect. AZ login. We don't have to do that. Python -- version. 3.8, 3.9, or 3.7? I mean, we do have 3.7. A little bit old, but actually, no, 3.7 is still supported, right? Not quite end of life. Slideby says, thanks for doing the stream. I finally logged into my Azure account after 2 years and found out I'm being charged $10 a month. Oh no. This stream saved me $120 a year. Oh. Yeah, I guess a reminder of that. I'm doing everything inside of a resource group for this stream. So actually, I have 2 resource groups. So kind of, you know, this is honest. One kind of neat thing about how Azure sets up all of its resources is as long as you put things inside of a resource group, when you delete the resource group, it just deletes all the resources. So it's a nice way to clean stuff up when you're done playing around, which after stream I will probably go through and delete these just to make sure I'm not paying for stuff. Or if we make something cool, I'll run it forever. Azure sends me a bill for $0 each month, and it scares me each time because the email subject says Azure bill. Oh. Getting charged $700 from AWS in high school has me scarred. Oh my god. I have not had any giant mysterious bill problems yet with any cloud provider. Oh, actually, no, that's not true. That's not true. I had the one with I had the one where yeah. Well, we can talk about that another day. I ended up getting it reversed, so it wasn't a big deal. Okay, set up a virtual environment. I don't like when they name it .env. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of that. Also, we're gonna use virtualenv because I know what I'm doing. How do I get the Python 3.10? Can I use Python 3.10? Let's not, because this says, wait, this says 8.7 or 6. This needs to get updated. It's recent too. It's from March. Oh. Can I fix this on GitHub? Probably not. Because one of them says 9.8 or 7. This one says 8.7 or 6. I wonder if we can use 10. Azure Functions Python versions. How do I know what the supported versions are? 3.9. Ah, okay. They do not have 10 yet. Good to know. All right, then we will use 10. All right, create a local function project. Do you think this part's important, or is that the name? Oh, that's the name. Okay. Func init something dash python. Func init Twitch webhook dash python. Okay, nice. Cool. CD. Hopefully the dash doesn't matter. Add a function to your project by using the following command, where name is the unique name of your function and the template specifies the trigger. HTTP. Okay. Yeah, we can run this. Twitch, we'll call it ADC Twitch webhook. Off level anonymous, yep. Ah, shoot. That's not a valid namespace. Let's try that again. Okay. All right, let's name with underscores this time so we get a valid Python module namespace. I don't know if it matters, but it feels better that way. Hey, what's up, Ace? Hello, hello. 6 days ago. Is that when it was set up? All right, what did we get created here? I don't really like init.py or code in it, but yeah. I personally don't prefer that, but yeah, it'll be good enough. Okay, cool. So we have set up thing. That is not the right window. Oh, we were already in the right window. Func templates list -l python. Oh, are there other templates? Maybe we can get a Flask one. Oh, that's what we want. Func templates. Is that what it was? That's kind of cool ASCII art. List -l. Oh, list language. I get it. That makes sense. Azure Blob storage trigger. Azure Cosmos DB trigger. Durable functions activity. Do we have a webhub sub one? Kafka, RabbitMQ. I think we want HTTP anyway, so I think we're fine. Okay, examine the contents. Yeah, we did this. Run the function locally. Okay. Do that. Func start. Func start. We need to make another tab so that we can curl it. Oh, we're probably not going to be in the same container, are we? Oh. Maybe we are. No, there's no way. There's no way that works, right? Oh. Control C. Whoops. Yeah, surely that'll copy paste. Hello? 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 I think I wasn't supposed to Control C. I think mistakes were made. Does it support Control \? Oh man, we really hosed this one. This is fine. Yeah. Oh, my history is still here. Okay, let's try this again. Actually, we can use tmux for this. Func start. We're at 7071. Oh, it is still running. Oh goodness. Netstat 7071. Pkill kill / term 883. Term's not strong enough. Okay. Func start, and it would have worked in another tab, I guess. I want copy link. What? Is that not a thing? There we go. Curl paste. HB triggered function executed successfully. Pass a name in the query string. Name equals AWC. Hello, AWC. Okay, cool. All right, we're able to run it locally. Done. Examine the file contents. Okay, this is where we're going to change stuff. For HB trigger the function, sees request data in the rec variable. Bambi? Yeah. Time to call Bill Gates for support. Yeah. S1 Cube. Hello, hello. Traveling to Seattle. Any tips? I don't think I have ever been to Seattle. So I don't have any tips, unfortunately. All right. How do I use Azure Functions with like Flask? Is that in here somewhere? Let's see. Azure Functions Flask. That sounds like something that I would want to do. Flask framework and an Azure Functions app. Func.whiskey middleware. Is that already in my code? Actually, we can let's Control C just once. Maybe make this stop. The client reset the requested stream. Please die. Shutting down and proactively I don't know why it doesn't die. I don't know what I'm doing incorrectly. But I know this works. Okay, killed. Right, let's get out of tmux because I don't like tmux. Okay, so presumably do not include Azure Functions workers. It may conflict. Okay, we're gonna put Flask in here. And pip install Flask. Function. Nope. Init.py. We're just going to set up a really simple app here and try and get this working. Main rec. This is a different signature than the other one. Where is the Flask one? This one. Make context. Func.oops. Yeah, sure, let's just copy this. And so nice. Okay, func.whiskey middleware app.whiskey app. All right. Func start. Let's try it again. Oh, goodness. Work failed to load. No module named Flask. Okay, we probably didn't follow directions. And we can't kill it again. Does someone know how to actually kill this thing properly? Is it supposed to be broken like this? It doesn't feel right that I have to kill -9 every time. Pyro, hello, hello. Disguised Eagle Code, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. This is my August in Seattle, and I just hear about cost of living and rain all the time. I do like rain, though. Don't go to the first ever Starbucks unless you're like waiting in line. Control D? Oh, is it supposed to be Control D? Well, let's figure out how we install Flask first, since clearly I've messed this up. The follower cards.txt is updated to include the following dependencies. We put it in there. Pip install -r requirements. Yeah, I thought we did that. Oh, is it because I don't have the virtual env activated? Unless? Hey. Alright, so Control D is what we're thinking? Control D? No. Nope. Sadly not. Copy, Control B1. Curl this. Paste. 404. Oh, we gotta do that weird thing, don't we? What if I just do this? 404. Oh. So that tells me. Oh, I remember we had to do this last time. I don't remember what we did. Did we put that code on GitHub last time? There's some like endpoint configuration that we need to do so that slash will work. Trying to remember the last time we did this. This one? This one. I don't remember which one of these settings files it was. Route prefix. This is what we want. This sounds familiar. Try that. This was years ago though, so I don't know. Oh, it opened nano. Gross. That's not what we wanted. So let's try. Does someone know how to stop this properly? Because I don't. Hey, what's up, CTC? Wow, is Flask a new framework? Not really. Flask is pretty well established and oldish. It's just one that I happen to know. Disguised Eagle Co. Welcome. Kill the container? Yeah. And they uses tmux. You're not a real programmer? You're now a real programmer. Yeah. Kill -9. That's what I've been using, but it doesn't feel right. You know? What if I type quit, exit, :Q, Control C. Control C is what I want it to do, but it doesn't seem to work. Like, I can't imagine what someone that doesn't know what they're doing would do. I mean, I'm not saying I know what I'm doing, but let's see. Wait, let's click on the run it locally, and maybe I just should have read more. Maybe there's something in here that tells me how to do this. Long start. Okay. When you're done, Control C and choose Y. Control C, Y. Okay. Apparently that's how you're supposed to do it, but it doesn't seem to be working. 328. Oh, that's not the right process. 1, 3. Yeah, we'll just kill them all. Sure. All right, let's just try Control C Y without mashing it a bunch of times. Maybe that's what I need. Control C Y, enter. No. Oh, we can just do this one. Kill -9% one. That's the better way to do it. then I don't need multiple terminals. Choose Y. Maybe because it's tmux. No, we had the same problem with the other one. Try the other control key. This one. They do the same thing. Okay, anyway, let's see if we start now, if we can use just slash. Otherwise, I'll change the guy routes. Oh, this changed. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Vamsikar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Jay Ow, it's been a while. It's good to see you again. What did I call it? AC, Twitch, webhook. Yeah, annoying. I don't remember how to do this. Okay, well, we can just change the route. Although maybe the Flask tutorial tells us how to do this. Then start debug mode, test the function route. Yeah, this looks like it should work. Maybe we didn't follow. Yeah, we've set that. Function.js is modified to include route in the HTTP trigger. See, reading. Reading is what I'm skipping. It's more fun that way, right? Oh, coloring is weird here. Methods, so we gotta put this in here. Yeah. Okay. It killed S9% one. Oh, look at this. That's different. That doesn't look right, but 7071. Yo, let's go. All right, we got it. We can request from Slash now. Avalbona, hello, hello. Good to see you again. He just says, not to drill what you're working on, but open up here on Parapet. I get emails to my inbox, so don't worry about me not seeing it. No promises on when I look at it, but it won't be today. We'll just put it that way. Okay, cool. So we have it working locally with Flask, so we can make whatever endpoint we want now. Cool. Testing in Azure. We'll probably get back to the command line. What page were we on? Running a function locally. I already did that. Create the supporting Azure resources for your function. Okay. We already have a resource group. We're just going to put in the same one. I don't think we have a storage account. Maybe we don't. Okay, let's do that. Avalbona, thank you for the resub with Prime at 8 months. Appreciate that. All right, I can't paste in here. Which webhook storage? Resource group is not listed. Resource group Twitch RG. Not a valid storage name. Must be between 3 and 24 characters using numbers and lowercase letters only. All right. Is that 24 characters? Looks like it. Hey, what's up, Priox? Hello, hello. Get the thing. What? Oh, are you talking about? Are you poking at CJ? I'm actually going to take a little break to fill up my water, so I will be right back, and we'll continue with this in a sec. So I'll see you then. Hello, we're back. Now I just sit in silence. Yeah. So I have the music off because Microsoft wants no music in the background because they're gonna re-edit this and post it to YouTube. So that's why. Yeah, it is a little bit weird. It does feel a little bit weird to stream without the background music, but it's fine. We do what we do what we must. Crow, I assume it's Crow. Crow, welcome. Good to see you again. Okay, so we created a storage account. What we're doing next? I don't think I need this page. Figured out how to set up Flask. Okay, create a storage account. Create the function. Why is this West Europe as the default? We're gonna not use West Europe, but sure. Also, I'm pretty sure we can. Pretty sure we can get out of Tmux now. Control Z, kill %1, FG. That didn't work. Kill -9%1. %2? %2? FG? Cool. Alrighty, what do we got here? Bunch of stuff. Does anyone remember what I named the storage account? I don't remember. Venex says, are there objective reasons why you chose Azure over other cloud providers? Have you read the stream title? Alright, I'm just gonna click on the resource group and hopefully be able to find from here. Webhook storage. Okay, that is what we called it. Twitch webhook storage. We're gonna say East US and it'll probably hopefully tell us what's wrong here. Hey, what's up, Sudden Panda? Hello. Name. Does it tell us what the name needs to be? Type name with a globally unique name appropriate to you. Also default donation. Whatever. You see Twitch webhook. We probably use dashes here, right? Perhaps. Alright, I was gonna try this and see what happens. Oop. Resource group is required. Okay. No other errors, so maybe that's fine. Resource group Twitch RG. Not registered. We are registering for it. Okay, cool. Why would I do it in general and not just for this stream? Well, personally, what I would do is I would find the cloud with the cheapest thing that does what I need it to do. And I know Azure has these that are easy to set up and really cheap. So I would probably just, if I get this working, we might just use it. But we've already set up the WebSocket part. We're trying to set up the function part right now. We know how to send a PubSub. We know how to get the WebSocket URL. Hopefully we'll be able to send the overlay website, and then all we have to do is figure out how to hook Twitch into it. Shouldn't be too hard. Ethan, hello, welcome. Congratulations on your offer at Sentry, by the way. Real Abja, hello, welcome back. It's taking a while. What is it doing? Guess we could see what it's doing. Perhaps. Mayhaps. It's wild that it gets you into the same Cloud Shell instance. That's actually really cool. Man, I can't imagine how much work that was to make that happen. I'm still curious what this random Node.js app is. I guess we could do 20? Oh, we probably won't be able to see the PID. We can know what port it's listening on, though. Along with Chris, thank you for the sub at 3 months. Appreciate your continued support. And that gets you a fancy new badge. Yeah, it's running as root, so we can't really see what it is. Okay, this is doing something. Your Linux function app, ABC Twitch webhook that uses a consumption plan has been successfully created, but is not active until content is published. Okay. We'll probably have to do func publish something. Okay. Deploy. Func Azure Function app published thing. Okay. We'll do that once it is done creating. Oh, and then we'll be able to hit it. Nice. Cool. Very cool. We gotta wait. User-2. Okay, that's our now login. Linux start node.sh. But yeah, we just wait a little bit here. How's your day going, chat? Oh, we got more things? Hey, okay, cool. Sanic Starker, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's do the deploy, I guess, next. Func Azure Function app publish. What did I name my thing? Fortunately, we could just refresh the resource group and it will tell me what the name is. AUC Twitch webhook. What is this icon? Application Insights. Don't know what that is. This is the actual function. AWC Twitch webhook. Twitch webhook. Hurry up and wait. Yeah, that's kind of just how a lot of programming goes, and a lot of chemistry, man. Stating my wedding arch about wedding arch. That sounds cool. Oh, it's installing stuff. Cool, cool. Deployment successful. That's what we want to see. This is Azure today. Failed to retrieve remote build status. Open image in new tab. What? That's not it. Oh. Hey, let's go. Okay. All right. That's good to see. Neat. Okay. All right. What next? Okay, so we have this thing done. We know how to do this. We're not doing it yet. We know how to make the URL for this. We're not doing that yet. We know how to create this. So let's do the blue and green and orange lines, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's take this little t.html and we'll serve this out of our function. Yeah. Okay, init. Gotta paste. Wait, why did you mess up? Why are you not? Oh, because curly brace. Shoot. I mean, we could probably render this as an actual template, but we're gonna put it all in one file just because it's gonna be easier for now. WebSockets URL. We'll replace that out. It's gonna be a little bit jank, but fine. All right, return web. Return. What did I name this variable? Index. Index dot replace WebSocket URL. Hey, what's up, Stevo Bandito? How you doing? Thank you for the resub at 23 months. Oh man, you're almost to 2 years. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. I never get over the let's go when something finally works. Yeah, we're gonna let's go, baby. Did I misspell replace? Is that not the function? I mean, this is the janky way to do it. Let's not talk about that. But we're gonna need the code to do this. We'll need some JSON. Oops. And we need this code. Again. Oh, no. Copy. I keep doing Control-Shift-V and it's not working. Okay, so we're just gonna hard code our connection string. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. Oh, I wonder if linting works here. Oh. No, it's not gonna work because Control-T does stuff in my browser. Of course. Okay. So we want this in here. So that'll get us an actual URL there. That seems fine. And I would probably actually store this as an environment variable and oops. And not do it this way, but or just getting something working, we're gonna do it this way for now. We would probably actually pick a use environment variables or something like that. But hard coding is easy enough. They better use that for the thumbnail. Yeah, wouldn't that be great? Just get a let's go, baby. Yeah, that would be pretty funny. I would approve. I don't think they're gonna do that though. Okay, we don't need you anymore because we verified things work. We're also going to do this. Is it methods? I forget. Flask, method, post. Yogo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And I feel like I landed on a W3 Schools equivalent. This page is garbage. And methods. Yeah, it is methods. I was not incorrect. Oh, my keyboard shortcuts don't work. We don't need you anymore. We do need that, maybe. You anymore. Don't believe we need this one. Close that one out. Page. We need to know what that requirement was, though. Phenomena. Raisin, hello, hello. Hey, the resub at 5 months. Ooh, good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Lord Arcus, hello, hello. What are you doing? Fortunately, the bot has told you exactly what happened. Emmons, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You clipped it, Priox. Nice, nice. Nice. Misty's nuts, welcome back. Hello, hello. Hope that's within the code of conduct. Otherwise, well, such is life, I guess. Paste, 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 paste. I'm just gonna do data, hello world. Sure. Seems fine. So stock string. All right. We need to add this thing to our requirements, though. Do not include Azure Functions worker. Okay, well, we don't have that. We do have Azure Messaging Web Pub Sub Service. Okay. Let's lint just to make sure that we didn't do something dumb. AWC. Oh. Right. Control W in Nano and Babby is search, but it's also a closed tab. So we will not be hitting that. Flask imported. Oh, did I accidentally delete my app? I did. Well then. Put that back. Did I make a thing for this? I did not. See if I can run the linters otherwise. Okay, that should be fine. Publish. WCGW. What could go wrong? I definitely can't use the part with your rendition of a Disney-owned song. I'm pretty sure isn't that public domain by now? Surely. Agua Moida, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'd like to file a tech debt ticket. Discord invite appears broken for me. You know, I was trying to mention you in Discord the other day, Priox. I don't remember what it was. I wanted to message you for something. It should still work. People still join the Discord. King says, how do you type on a keyboard like that? This keyboard's actually really easy. The mouse owns everything, yeah. Anthony when he successfully deploys. Right. Okay, so in theory, what did I do? / curly brace. Yeah, that's exactly what I was going for. Okay, so connected. All right, cool. And what was the endpoint that I used? Send message. Curl-x post. Oh, it returns none, so it's gonna give me a 500, but it's fine. Send message. Yeah, we got a 500. That's expected. But look at this, we got data. Yo. Okay. All right. Cool. So if we go back to our diagram, we have this exists. This part works. This blue part works, and the green part works. All that's left is the Twitch stuff. All that's left is the Twitch stuff. So S Olive says, is Azure free to publish? It depends on what you work with. Captain Hoax, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, King, if you have enough channel points, I will do a type racer, but I am not going to do them for free. I mess left a ton. Anxiety's fun, but I got caught in the blast. We'll get it fixed. Sounds good. Sounds good. Now for the hardest part. Yeah, the Azure stuff's been easy so far. Like all of this stuff was just kind of worked, which I'm amazed about. All right, yeah, now the hard part. Now the hard part. Oh man, Indie Monkey. Indie Monkey. Why would you do this? Dang it. Alright, we'll take a break from the sponsored stream to do a type racer. Come on, guys, it's a sponsored stream. What are you doing? Alright, fine. Fine. We're doing easy mode. You don't get a choice this time. Nope, you don't get a choice, Indie Monkey. We gotta go quickly. Scam, look! It's a sponsored stream. Alright, make sure to click join. The link is in the chat. You're getting a long one anyway. Yeah, paragraph, yeah. If this was hard mode, we would have been here for forever. Ugh. This text is wild. Oh, that was awful. If he doesn't break 140, I'll eat my hat. Oh, good luck eating your hat, morning sci-fi. My top is like 127, so I don't think you're gonna eat your hat pretty much anyway. And this keyboard I'm a little bit slower on than my normal keyboards. 95 though, Forrest. Pretty good there, Arca. We're gonna do one more. That was brutal. Yeah, this paragraph was awful. Paragraph. Kinda stinky. Alright. Come on. Give us the next one so we get back to the content. 81, that's pretty good. I don't even remember this passage. Oh, it's from Moby Dick. Oh. I assume you'd be faster than me because of your fancy keyboard? I'm faster not on this keyboard. This keyboard slows me down. Alright. Oh, we got a short one. Alright. Let's cut punctuation. Ah. That was kind of bad too. All right. Anyway, thank you for the points. Appreciate it. How's the project going? It's going well. We have WebSocket set up. We have a web function set up. We have PubSub publishing from the web function to the WebSocket. We have the web functions serving a web page that I can load in the browser, and we have the browser connecting to the WebSocket. So we have all of this part working. We just don't have the purple line working. We gotta make the purple line work. And now we are toggling the standing desk. All right. Rise. 76 words per minute is dead last in this stream. Yeah, you gotta be fast in an AWC stream. But 76 is way above average, so it's still pretty good. Okay, let's figure out how to set up Twitch. Also, wait, let's change the function so that it doesn't raise a 500. Let's see. I don't remember how to return 204 no content. I can't remember whether it's the string first or the other thing first. So we are going to look at my production web app. Recommit CI web blueprint GitHub, and all the way at the bottom, empty string 204. Okay, here, burn empty string 204. Okay, cool. I'll blame the potato on my fingers for 30. What? You have a potato on your fingers. That doesn't make any sense. What do you mean? Okay, so Twitch pub sub is what we want to do next. I don't know anything about this. Pub sub allows you to subscribe to a topic. Is it just me or is the font like super messed up here? What is going on there? Probably Linux. Font kerning. This looks awful. 204 is no content. It is a successful empty response. Okay. Wait, we're not using the WebSockets. We're using the webhooks one. No, this is the WebSockets one. Where's the... Shoot. Hang on, let me check my notes. Event sub, that's the one that we want. Oh. Control Shift Tab keyboard shortcut doesn't work. Okay. This is the one that we want. Getting started. Okay. Well, we're already on that page. For details, click handling events. After writing event handle, you're ready to subscribe to events. Before subscribing to events, you must create a callback that listens for events. Your callback must use SSL listen on port 443. Okay, we're good there. Line table lists the type of notifications your handler needs to process. The Twitch event sub message type request header. Might need this. Copy that. Okay. Probably gonna need that at some point. Notification webhook revocation. Okay, we probably don't care about these other ones, but we will put these into here to where we've got all of that. I wish I could paste here. It'd be nice if Control Shift V pasted. If you're listening, Azure UX people, make Control Shift V work here. Anthony writing code and double.py. Listen. We already talked about this. I don't want to be writing code in init.py, but it didn't give me a choice. So rat potatoes have acid. Silic acid? I know they have catechol oxidase in them. We did a lab in biochem in college. Jelly jar, welcome. And catechol oxidase is the same enzyme that makes bananas brown and makes potatoes brown and it makes apples brown. They all have catechol oxidase. No one really knows why though, because the produced chemical, I mean, it's supposedly a defense mechanism, but scientists, I don't believe there's any current insects or otherwise that react to that. Twitch Twitch, fix your typos. Man, we're just finding typos all over the place today. Okay, before handling a message, you must make sure that Twitch sent it. For information, see verifying the event message. Okay. Verifying. Chooses the secret as the key. Secret? What secret? Oh, when you subscribe to an event, you pass it a secret. Got it. Twitch uses secret as the key when creating an HMAC 256. SHA-256. Yeah, okay, familiar with that. Passes this header. Okay. This is very similar to how GitHub does their verification as well. And it should generally be empty. Yeah. Yep. That is my recommendation. Secret must be an ASCII string that's a minimum of 10 characters long and maximum of 100. You can use a simple secret, like this is my secret. How many people do you think use this as their secret? You could use it. You could use a bad secret if you want. You probably shouldn't, but you could. You have a Python example that I can just copy paste? No? Okay. Create an HMAC signature using your secret and a message that is the concatenation of the values of the Twitch event sub message ID header and the raw request body in order. Man, this is quite a lot to do. Quite a lot to verify this. We technically don't have to do this, but we're gonna do it right, I guess. And what is the other one? The request body? Raw request body. Raw request body. And then let's look at how they do this. Two lowercase. Don't they know that headers are case insensitive? Alright, secret get HMAC message. Where is that function? 3 things in there. Okay. I am going to again look at my pre-commit code for this. I'm gonna do that off screen because this part is less useful. Web blueprints. Stockfish. Stockfish. Secrets are meant to be shared, and I feel personally attacked. Yeah, I mean, that's why my password is bad password, right? Don't talk about how long raised non-implemented error was in my setup.cfg. There's quite a lot of this is my secret. Oh my goodness, really? Not logged in yet. I can't search when you're logged out. Uh-oh. I mean, these aren't necessarily Twitch. Like, what if we put Twitch in here? Well, these are slightly different. Anyway. Oh, you know, I did want to close that. Okay, never mind. HMAC. Okay. So we need to import HMAC. We also want to import secrets. And we need to that route Twitch webhook. Twitch webhook. Post. Signature equals hmac.new. Bad secret. I think it can be stir. I just mod equals SHA-256. They said it was 256, right? Dig.update. Flask dot. Is it flask.request or is it flask.g.request? I don't remember. Dot encode. We also need message timestamp and sig.update. Dupdate. Flask.request dot data. And then if secrets dot compare digest, if not, request dot headers this. Request dot abort 400. Description. Valid signature. Okay, cool. At the end of this, we can go back to this. Cool. All right, I think we have done the verification. Oh boy, a lot of chat. Raising the desk, nice, nice. Whisper, hello, hello. I don't have mine listed. I think if you do FAQ setup, it's listed in the description of that. Last time request headers? Yeah, I'm also looking at that over here, so I am good there. Mustack, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Okay, we have done signature validation. Shoot, where did the window go? Here. Verifying the event message. Signatures don't match, send 400. Let me just double check this. Oh, they have a stupid prefix in it. Where do they put that? Digest hex. Get HMAC. HMAC prefix. Okay, yeah. So we gotta put this in the beginning. That's fine. Okay. You know what we're gonna do really quickly? We're gonna put a little pre-commit config here because oh wait, I still can't run the linters. Never mind. Yeah. I still can't run the linters, so never mind. Never mind. I'm not gonna put a pre-commit config here because Control T opens a new tab, and I don't have an alias for this. Okay. So I believe this is correct. I guess we should send 403 rather than 400. That's probably more correct. Although 400 is bad request. Okay. Handling validation. Got it. Verify. Done that. You must respond to notification requests within a few seconds. If your server takes too long to respond, the request will time out. They'll respond quickly enough too many times. Subscription status will change to failure succeed. Got it. Okay. Using the command line to test your handler. Okay, we want this. This sounds good idea. Switches command line interface. Download and install. Well, we don't have brew. Manual download. Suspicious. Love this changelog. Merge branch main. Overcrush, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Does Azure not provide a way to SSH in directly instead of using the web UI? Cool. Azure SSH into Cloud Shell. I don't believe it does. Well, I haven't set up the Azure client, kind of intentionally, because last time we spent half the stream setting up the command line, so I'm just gonna keep using the browser. Fine. Hey, Joaquim, hello, hello. It's good to see you again. It's been a while. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, we can download this thing. Linux x86 64. Rick09, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sure, wget. rxf Twitch. Should have done strip components 1. Wonder what's in their notice or their license. Also, it's all of them are chmod 755. Did they build this on Windows? It's just Apache too. They build this on Windows? Maybe it's probably written in Go, right? Twitch. Okay. Cool. All right. Download. Configuring the command line. Twitch configure. Before you use the Twitch command, you must configure with your application's client ID. Oh, we don't have one of those, okay? We'll make one of those. Log in the developer console. Okay. Yep. Cool. Been forever, but feels great to be back. Thanks so much. Yeah, it's good to see you. See, I didn't forget. I remember you. Application 0 total. Okay. Register. I can see Twitch, webhook, OAuth redirect. We'll receive the result of client authorizations, either an access token or a failure message. Must exactly match the redirect URI parameter past the author. Oh, I gotta do auth. Testing locally, you can set this to localhost. Let's set it to this /OAuth. We might need to make an endpoint for that. Might have to do that. Okay, I am not the robot. Create. It's gonna show creds, isn't it? Look at my face. Category ID. Website, application, browser extension, broadcaster suite. I'm just gonna click other. Oh my god, I'm being captured. That's not a bicycle, that's a motorcycle. You think a motorcycle counts as a bicycle? I'm gonna click skip. Okay, I passed. If you're not a robot, why can't we see your creds? There are details. Why it not let me click create? Oh. You must have two-factor. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta set up two-factor chat. Dang it. Okay, well, this is why I used a separate account. If you're not a robot, why is your reCAPTCHA score low? Because I reset my cookies in this browser, so it has no browsing history. Yeah. Don't care. Please do not advertise other channels in my channel. Thanks. Bye. Set up two-factor. Yep. I should have done this before stream. My bad, chat. Sorry. Bear with me while we log in. Why is it using SMS? Really, it should use something that's not SMS, right? Like an authenticator. Maybe it sets SMS up first and then we convert it to authenticator? Oh no, I typed it wrong. Doesn't. Why can't they just use a normal text box? It's such a pain. Fine. No, I don't want to set up the authenticator. Skip. Okay. Hey, I got new emotes for that. Cool. All right. We have MFA set up now. So in theory, I should be able to... Oh, no. I failed the auth. Okay, I'm going to set up the app now. Invalid client name. Oh, now I have to identify fire hydrants? What is this? Name between 3 and 100 characters displayed to users. What do you mean invalid client name? A2C webhook. Oh, praise be. Okay. All right. We have a webhook. It knows you're a robot? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Pavankumurpi? Hello, hello. We're here to see what you type. I mean, you can kind of only see my face. I'm not muting because I don't care if you steal these creds. I mean, I kind of care, but I also kind of... You can use my phone number? No, I'm good. I'm good. Anthrobot? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what was I doing? We register your app. Okay. Configure command sets information that the command line uses to run. For most and use the command line requires your application client ID and secret. Okay. So if we do which configure, we need to go get the client ID. You're gonna stare at my face for a second while I grab the client ID. Come on, Twitch. You can do it. Got a loading spinner. Man, imagine Twitch is down today. This is so slow. Oh, it logged me out. Could be why. Okay. Client ID. Got it. Okay. Paste that in. Client secret. No secret. Yes. I'm gonna write both of these down because it might be useful. Save. Oh my goodness, I'm getting captured left and right here. Okay, so in theory, I have set up a secret. Chat is also robots. Yeah. Okay, so we have registered an app. We have done this. Create secrets as you would your password. Yep, done. Cool, perfect. After registering your app, the next step is to get a token. Okay, we'll do that next. Twitch APIs require access tokens to access resources. Depending on the resource you're accessing, you need a user access or an app access token. I think I want an app access token, but I don't know. Client credentials grant flow. Use this flow if your app uses a server, can securely store a client secret, and can make server-to-server requests using the Twitch API. This flow is meant for apps that only need an app access to. The font is killing me? Yeah, I don't know what's up with this font. It's probably Linux, that would be my guess, but I don't know. Jester, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Client credentials flow access. Oh, this is easy. This is what we want. Why does it have an expiration though? That's kind of annoying. Be nice if we don't have to re-auth. Just because I kind of hate doing the OAuth dance. Hopefully it lasts long enough that we can just make it work for this and skip OAuth later. Okay, so I am going to run this command, this curl command here, but you're gonna have to look at my face again because creds. So, have fun looking at my face for a sec. Paste. And hey, what's up, Broken Mirrors? How you doing? Client ID. And we need client secret. Ooh. This should give us some cred. Fires in this very large number. Is this, hopefully this is seconds and not milliseconds? How many seconds is this? Divided by 60, divided by 60, divided by 24. It lasts for 65 days. I think we'll be good with that. Okay. All right. That's what we're gonna do. All right, I have an access token by going through this. Oh, actually, this tab still has creds in it. Okay. Sneaky file here. All right, we have a token now. Perfect. Chapsters, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I missed Rick09. Thank you as well for the follow. So we also have the liver. Welcome to the stream. Oh no, the endless river and now the liver. Perfect. So my often streaming web things. How often a month do you get to change your passwords because it leaked on stream? I actually don't deal with creds very often. More often, things that leak are my phone number, which Twitter has leaked and Azure DevOps has leaked. Yeah, pretty bad. Can't change that, so kind of screwed there. Okay, we have token. We have configured the Twitch command line. We have done that already. We have access token. We have our app. We might need this page later. We have downloaded the command line. Okay. Using the command line to test your handler. Twitch does this, yeah. When you subscribe to an event, Twitch verifies that you own the event handler specifically in the request by sending your handler a webhook callback verification notification. More information, see responding to a challenge request. Okay, we will probably need to do this. When you subscribe to an event, Twitch sends you a verification challenge. You will know because it'll be this. The challenge contains the challenge value you must respond with. Response must return a 200 status code. The body must contain the challenge value. Okay. PogChamp Kappa 360 no scope. Okay, cool. That's not too bad. Let's go back to here. And I assume it's a post. If request.headers which event sub message type equal to this, then we are doing thing. What thing we doing? We need to return request.json challenge. I think the 200 is implied. I think. Does FPS? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Liver is Fiverr for work and trading. Oh no. Okay. On 200 challenge. Okay. Bad. Okay. All right, let us try this, I guess. We have to deploy again, probably. Probably. Hmm. Online 69, we got a problem. Oh, it's Flask dot. Okay. Publish. Nice. We haven't uploaded in a while. Yeah, this should be fine. It's weird when I stream and don't have music in the background. I can actually hear my computer fans. Usually I don't notice them. But today we're noticing them. Okay, so in theory we can run this now. What did I use as my secret? I know I used a bad secret intentionally. Nope. Ugh, I don't know how to find without. I don't think I can use my. Can I make Control Shift W? No, that kills the whole browser. You're not doing that. What is my bad secret? This is my secret. Okay. This is my secret. And we are using URL for this. Let's go off screen. Twitch event verify subscriptions. Subscribe -f this /Twitch webhook -s. This is my secret. That's the endpoint that I used. Twitch webhook. All right, let's see what happens. And I found. Yeah, right. 500. Well, that's not good. I bet this has to be, well, how do we get the stack trace from that? How do we see the logs? Logs? Diagnose and solve problems. There's no way this is gonna do things. Monitoring, that's probably what. Logs, hey, here we go. I don't care. Just show me the logs. I just wanna see the logs. Query. Log stream. This sounds better. Hey, what's up, Wolf9? Hello. Request that in JSON. Indeed. Absolutely useless French trivia of the day. Pronouncing JSON as French would be. What? Is that an initial D sound? Oh. I'm gonna continue saying it the way I say it because I think it's funny. Connected. Alright, let's try this again. Ooh, we have the logs. About that. How do we get logs from this thing? provoking. Run the following command to view near real-time streaming logs in the application insights in the Azure portal. Try this. Let's try this. Are you using on Twitch's side? I don't know. No, it's probably my side. I think I have the wrong data type for my HMAC. I think I'm supposed to use bytes. That's my guess, but I want to actually debug it properly rather than just guessing. Because guessing sounds like a bad idea. Or one of these attributes is wrong. What was my app name? AWC Twitch webhook. AWC Twitch webhook. What does -- browser do? I'm gonna open it in a browser. I don't want that. Does anyone see browser in these? Browser. Open in a browser. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. I'm hoping it just tails in the terminal. Elixir is not currently supported in Linux consumption apps. Sad. Okay. There's no XTG open, which makes sense. It's trying to actually open the thing. So we are going to skirt around it and make our own XTG open. Just show what it's actually trying to run, and then I will just copy paste the URL. Hackerman! Could it open this PNG again for some reason? Yeah. Exception rate. What am I looking at? Here, we're gonna run another one. Oop. Hey, we got a request. Expects bytes or byte array, but got string. Yes, show me the actual. Show me the actual log line. Oh my goodness, what is this? I just want to see the line. No! We're so close to seeing what we want. No! Heck. Oh, application insights. Maybe this is the logs that we want. Configure usage logs. I want a query. Can I just like select star? Is that a thing? Click one of the queries to start. Queries. All queries, alerts, browsing data, performance. I just want to see the stack traces. Open login Word, yeah. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure, given what we saw there, we go back to this. I want to see the full thing here. Open filter editing panel for document. Let's want whatever this is. This button. This is the panel I want. I want it to not be truncated. But if I don't know. Exception rate. Are you looking for the function logs? I am, Mr. Spacey, but I am lost. I don't know where to get the function logs from. I just want to see the stack trace. Do you know how to do that? Can you help me? Because that would be great. This is not what I want at all. Go to the function itself and click monitor. Thought we had done that. But oh, we did. We found it. Okay, this is supposed to be bytes. I was right. It was right in my guess. I was correct in my guess. Thank you, Mr. Spacey. Yeah, these must be slightly delayed, I guess. So, okay, cool. But now we have it open, so we can see it for the next time. BJZ, hello, hello. The Tall Pants, how you doing? Please, 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 please. Hey, what's up, Tofu? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. How are you doing? Oh, and Jaholo's here. Hello, hello. TCK3, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Oh, and JS Artifact. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay. Again. Mr. Spacey, thank you for the resub with Prime at 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Appreciate that. Good to see you again. Invalid content type header received text HTML care set UTF-8 expecting text plain. Okay. Do that. Flask response headers. Is it the third argument? Can I do a third argument there? That response. Oh, I don't want to do that. Sounds gross. Oh, I need to build a Flask response? I don't want to do that. Is there a easier way? No? Hey, this is what I want. That's exactly what I want. You can turn your headers with the third argument. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Perfect. 200 content type text / plain. Okay. Publish that. Privon, hello, welcome. Isn't there a good way to code your functions locally instead of Azure? Yes. Oh, there absolutely is. Yeah, you can configure the Azure command line tooling and the func tooling locally. I did that on a previous stream, so I wanted to try out Cloud Shell. Because I know that Cloud Shell is like easy to just get started without having to install anything or configure anything or set up creds or all that other stuff. I'm just logged in and click button in browser. I wanted to try this. It's been going pretty well so far. I think if I gave feedback on this, I would want pace to work. I think that's the big one. I would want pace to work, and maybe I don't have to hack around XDG Open. that'd be kind of nice too. But It's been going all right. Does it still keep your code in between sessions? Yes. So that's the other really cool thing. This stuff all gets persisted in a cloud, in a Azure storage, whatever the thing it's called. I don't remember what it's called, but it gets stored in there. So I wrote this file in an older session earlier today that I've closed like an hour ago, and so that file's still there, which is pretty nice. Okay, it is set up again. Let us try this one more time. Let's go. Hey, okay, we can subscribe. This is good. Like, comment, subscribe. How do I unsubscribe? Probably want to unsubscribe, but okay. Done that. Revoking your subscription. Okay, that is the next thing that we want to do probably. No, maybe. Revocation. Yeah, it's fine, don't care. Command line. Subscribe, yay! Trigger. Oh, well, we'll figure that out in a second. We will figure that out in a second. How do I unsubscribe? Well, let's just run help a bunch and see what we get. Event. Help. Help, please. Retrigger trigger. How do we actually subscribe? Because if this is not actually subscribing, what do we want? Shows how to test your response to the challenge event. Okay. Alright, we know how to do that. How do we actually subscribe? Responding to the challenge event. Yeah, replay text. Processing an event. Verifying. Alright, let's do a test event and see what that has. Let's hook up the test event so that we have the webhook actually working. Here's the... We'll have to click this at some point. Try that. Let's actually just try that. Manage your subscription. Okay. Driving to events. Oh, they've got a broken link here. What happens if you click on the little file with the arrows on it? This one? This one? Upload, download files. Yeah, I guess you can use that to upload and download files. Can't you right click and select the paste option? Yeah, that's what I've been working around it, is doing this. Copy and paste. That's how I've been doing that. But it would be nice if Control-Shift-C and Control-Shift-V worked. Are there any free tiers / no hidden cost ways to mess with Azure? Yeah, there's a free tier. I'm actually using it today. And if you create a brand new account, you get $200 of credits. So even if you use non-free stuff, you get like a little bit of a buffer. One guy, hello, hello. Isn't in the managed subscription section. Yeah, that's what we're gonna try next. And they probably can't answer this right now, but what is the most approachable cloud provider for Python/Flask? They're all about the same. Okay. Subscribing, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I have to send a post request. All right. Authorization client ID. A lot going on in here. Okay, but we need to run this, I guess. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh. I gotta fill this out with my actual values, unless it put them in for me, which would suck. Because now you have my values. Double check that. No, those are not my values. Good. Okay, so we're gonna fill those out, but I think I want to actually test the I want to test an actual event first so that we have everything hooked up before we try and actually do it live. So let's actually do the event trigger something. Event trigger subscribe? Yeah. Subscribe, and we want our webhook. This one. Event verify, event trigger, subscribe that URL with our secret. And that should send a request. Server said this. What? Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna fill up my water though, and then I think this is the actual body that it sent in the web request. So we need to handle that properly. But after I fill up my water, we will try and do that. So I'll see you in a sec. All right, we are back. I'm going to sit down because I feel like sitting down. And just a reminder, this stream is sponsored by Microsoft Azure. So yes, sponsored stream. And if you want to learn more about what I'm working on, there is a link if you type bang Azure in the chat. And Microsoft is gauging the success of the stream by the number of people that click on that link. So please click on the link and look at the docs and I don't know, click around or whatever. Or don't. I don't really care either way. But yeah. Okay, so I think I can just send this data. Let's see, what does this actually look like? AQ dot this. Got a subscription and we've got an event. Channel dot subscribe condition transport created at. I think we actually want the event. Doesn't really tell us what it is though. Like, how do I know what it is? Like this is, it looks like a sub. Oh, subscription type channel dot subscribe. You know, I'm just gonna send this whole JSON blob. We're just gonna send the whole JSON blob. as our data. Probably makes the most sense, right? Discord issue is on your end. Yeah, that happens. I don't know why it's so grumbly. Okay. I would assume this is sent as the body. Actually hook up the webhook and connected. Okay, good. That is still working. Do any more? Lettuce. Marsha. Hello. How you doing, Marsha? Okay. Notification. Flask dot request. Notification. Then we are going to we actually don't need this, which is great. Very happy we don't need OAuth. Request .json. Yeah, is that easy? Maybe that easy. Oh. 72. Flask that request ID. Okay. Publish. And we will probably need to restart this. Actually, probably don't need to restart this because we didn't actually change the webhook. But in theory, I hate that I pronounce Azure and Azure differently. Same with data and data. Yeah. Are you in Azure? Birdo VVS, welcome. All right. I think this is gonna work. Okay, so we gotta wait for this. Okay, so that's done already. This is connected. In theory, if I send this, yo, we get it in the webhook. Okay, so looking back on our diagram, we kind of have this working, like most of the way working. So this calls our function sends to pub/sub. We had opened the browser earlier to get the connection, the WebSocket connection, and it sends it through the WebSocket connection. So we've kind of got things going end to end. All that's left is to actually make the app subscribe to Twitch and then see if we can get Twitch, like a normal subscription or follow, to go through. Kaltha says, what is the app working on do? This is what it does. Well, right now it doesn't really do anything. We're just kind of get the data to flow through so that we could make overlays using Twitch. That's the plan. Twitch and Azure. Hooking it all together. But this is really cool. It's actually working. Okay, so let's do the last part of this, which I believe you will have to look at my face while I actually hook things up. Oh, where's the shell script? Set up subscription. All right, so I gotta look at my face for a bit while I do this. Tint. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, we don't have everything hooked up yet, but that should, in theory, send to my webhook when everything is all said and done. But we haven't done that yet. Kulda, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome. Okay, FaceTime. While I grab creds. Client ID. Okay, paste this in here. And we need to get client secret. Client secret. Maybe we don't get client secret. Maybe we get access token. I'm gonna assume it's access token. And then we need the secret. What was my secret? This is my secret. It's my secret. Okay, cool. Do you do anything with the speakers in the background? These ones over here? They're not set up properly. they are technically surround speakers, but I don't have surround set up properly. But yeah, those are hooked up to my computer. So anything that I'm hearing right now is coming out of there. You guys don't hear it though, because my microphone is good. Broadcaster user ID. Ah, shoot. What is my... Are you using a mouse that your keycam doesn't show? Yeah, it's just a really crappy mouse. Does anyone know what my Twitch user ID is? We have to figure that out. Okay, we'll go back to here. Figure that out. I think we can figure that out using my chatbot. Don't want to open that file. T.py. Yeah, you're gonna be close enough. Copy this. But Twitch API? Fetch Twitch user. That sounds like what we want. This is our signature. Config. Username. Print asyncio.run. Fetch Twitch user. Anthony writes code. OAuth token. Config.oauth token. If I remember correctly, we have to do some a little dance there. Config.client ID. From bot.twitch API, Twitch API import fetch Twitch user. Okay. User ID. Is that the channel ID? I hope that's the channel ID. All right, one sec. Is it this thing? It is that one, Marsha. How did you get that? How did you find that? How did you find that so quickly? The one thing that's a little bit weird about this is I feel like you could set up a webhook for, well, that probably makes sense. That's how Streamlabs would work, right? Oh, Twitch metrics. Oh, cool. That is very useful. Okay, I need to find my webhook URL. Put it into this file here. Don't mind me. Right, in theory, I wish I could do type star. All right, well, we're gonna try this. We're gonna see what happens. Oh wait, gotta close the creds file. Right, we're gonna run this, and hopefully it should hook things up. I guess we can watch logs here. And in theory, we should get a request here. Yeah, we got a request there. Okay, so now can somebody who's watching that's not following the channel follow the channel? Then we'll know if it works. It has to be a follow. I probably should have set up subs and then someone could get sub. Yo, C2 Dan 88. Yo, it works. Yo, Dan. Thank you for the follow. Look at this. Look at this. It works. I feel like I shouldn't be so excited about Hey, and JZ Chaos, thank you as well for the follow. Cool. Cool. Dan the new VIP. Okay. So that's cool. I guess. Yeah, I should have set up bits. That would have been the smart thing to do, right? Slightly by. abuse Twitch chat for money. Cool. I mean, the whole diagram works. We've got everything going end to end. I guess we can just render some HTML to show that it works, and call that good enough. And I can always iterate on this later. So let's set up a little bit of HTML, and then I'll download the code so that I can put it on GitHub. Cloud Shell timed out. Oh. Yeah, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Actually, let's see what other subscriptions we can set up so that because bits is gonna be easier for you guys to test. I feel like I should just be able to subscribe to everything, right? Why can I not just subscribe to everything? Subscription type, for example, type to channel.file. For information about handling subscription types to specify scopes, see authorization. Version number. Channel. Yeah. How do I know what all of the... For example, to subscribe to channel.subscribe events, the broadcaster must grant your app permission to get users that subscribe to them. Oh. Okay, so maybe we can only use follow then. So maybe we would need to set up more OAuth junk that I don't want to do. So deleting subscriptions. Channel.follow, channel.update, channel.cheer. So we would need OAuth scope for that. So we're gonna not do that. But we have channel.follow, which is good enough, right? Subtypes in the left column. Subscription types. Ooh. Oh. 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 I see. There's all sorts of stuff that we can get. Okay. But we're just gonna do follow for now because having the rest of that actually work is gonna be a bit of work. Okay, so let's look at what this... Oh, we need to load the object. Const, yeah, I'm running JavaScript inside of a Python string. JSON.parse e.data. Not the most elegant way to do this, but it's fine. Hey, what's up, C9BD? Hello, hello. Was that paint in Linux? That's no context? There's channel.ban, you can ban every chatter. I think I have to set up OAuth for that too, but yeah, that would be pretty funny, no content. Okay, so we want to get this. Me copy object, copy message, sure. AQ dot this event username. Event username. Yeah, that sounds fine. Event username. Documents dot create element div let message equals this. Message dot inner text equals thanks for following. Data dot something dot something. Data dot event dot username. Username. Data event dot username. Good guess. Good guess, me. Style.font size equals 72 pixels, sure. Document.body.append child message. And then set timeout. Is it document.body.remove child message? And then we'll let it show up for 5,000 milliseconds. I think that's how that works. MDN remove child. Yep. Yeah, so in theory this will work. Let us publish again. I'll refresh this page, then we can try it again. Hey, what's up, Box and Ninja? Hello. Developers. Well, oh, you set that MOTD. Okay. I was like, that seems fairly appropriate. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, you don't know who said it? Someone else said it? No, I can't show chat on stream, but otherwise I'd look for it. Come on, deployment, let's go. Oh, that's a cute bun. Pop. But now you need more people to follow. Don't follow yet. Don't follow yet. We do. You are correct. We do need someone to follow now. Don't follow Anthony. Yeah. Someone in chat, can you follow my channel? No content! Yo, let's go! Thanks for the follow! And it disappears! It works. It works. And 1x programmer, wait, does unfollow refollow work? Wait, cause 1x programmer, I see you. Wait, does this not filter the unfollow refollow? Stonkfish? Now you're gonna lose your follow age. Now you're gonna lose your follow age. Preox has been falling for 7 seconds. Hey. Hey. Rip follow age. Stonkfish has been falling for 25 seconds. Alright, cool. It works. Sweet. Yeah. The great follow age purge, yeah. CJ for 27 seconds. All in the name of QA, yeah. 1 minute with 5 months, nice. That's the typo means 25 years. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, we got everything working. Oh, that's so cool. All right, well, I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. We're gonna do a little custom spiel first. So this stream was sponsored by Microsoft Azure. Caveman Crafting, hello. And if you want to learn more about the technology that I used in this, click on the AKA MS link in the description there. Slightly by, thank you for the bits. Yeah, no problem saving you money. But yeah, this is really cool. We set up a WebSocket using Web Pub Sub in Azure. We set up an Azure function that served both the web page and connected the WebSocket. And we set up a webhook with Twitch that talked to our web function and allowed us to have a little page where we displayed user follows, which is really cool. But yeah, everything worked. But yeah, let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload. Oh shoot, here's my. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. And if you missed any of the stream or you want to check out previous streams, I also upload those to my second channel. I normally stream twice a week, Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, we have a few extra special streams. So later today, I will be streaming It Takes Two with Citrusine. So stop by for that. That'll be at 6 Pacific, 9 Eastern. Is it? It's Twitch. Is it still pinned? No, it's not pinned. I don't think it is. Oh, not pinned. Anyway, I'm going to be playing with Citrusine, so that'll be fun. On Monday, we are going to be doing a Sentry stream. I will be streaming work. It's going to start extra early, though, because I basically don't have a meeting until late in the day, so we're going to stream early. I found a pretty embarrassing bug in Sentry, and we're going to work on fixing it. so stop by for that. That should be pretty fun. How extra early? I'll probably start at like 9:30 or somewhere around there. But yeah, stop by for that on Monday. Should be back to kind of normal streaming. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.